in clinical trials when they want to have a drug be pushed to market. They need to pass strict stipulations of clinical trials where they randomly pick people from society to do these tests from different demographics so they can understand the metrics accurately. So it's one thing for a group of people that are inside a specific club that are always going to push the same narrative. It's another thing when you can actually just see outside of that instead of listening to the people that are just trying to promote their business. You can actually seek outside sources. I'll give you an example. Take badcredit.org, for instance.
Badcredit.org is the website for bad credit. It gets over 1 million views a month, and it's all focused on finance, credit-related finance, personal finance. All of the experts are here. Brandon Rawson, and like I said, the best of the best. He interviews with financial portfolio managers, investment bankers, and venture capitalists, amongst other industry leaders. So this is the guy that you want to endorse you. He wrote an article about us. It currently has 78,000 views within the past 9 minutes. Go ahead and read on it so you can understand more about Pinnacle Credit Repair and what we do. I am mentioned in this article, and I share some of my personal insights on the industry and the company itself and its mission and state
Track records. So if you look at the results, and I'll just leave some examples here, you're going to see we're actually recording the results inside of the computer. They're not photoshopped, they're not altered, and one video, it's usually multiple results that they just come in randomly. We don't handpick them, we don't sugarcoat them, because you notice some clients have like 2 or 3 negative items removed, some have 83, some have 50. The numbers are random. But when you find someone on YouTube that's only posting the things that they did good at, you got to be careful. Those are the type of people that do not have a Google presence, that don't have a Trustpilot, that don't have a Google listing, that don't have this or that. You can't openly review and get feedback from the community as a whole. So it's really, really, really hard to really understand the truth. Of course, that business owner will want you to think, yeah, they always get these results. But me being in the industry and priding our company to be the fastest credit repair company around, we're still going to show you the reality in the reviews itself. We don't handpick them. They just come as they come, whenever they come. And another thing, not all of our customers allow us to show the results. A good amount do, but still clearly not enough. So what I ask you to do is take a step deeper and make sure that when you are shopping around for a credit repair company, you openly, objectively look at other sources. See what other people are saying about them. Do they have accreditations? Do they have high authority figures with qualifications, with the experiences, with the degrees, and with the accolades, and with the pedigree? Look at this term right here, the pedigree, the history. A fluke is something where you have a winning streak that you get lucky. Hell, I had my winning streak before, but that's not all I show. I show the good, the bad, the normal, and the extraordinary. Usually it's extraordinary, as you can see in my content. I will leave you a handful of videos right here, and you could do yourself a favor and watch them. If you're watching this video already, you might as well do some more research to help yourself out. Whether you join my company or someone else's company, at least you have the peace of mind to know that you made the right decision in working with them.